I'm going to show you how to find the saved game files location on Avowed. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is firstly I'm gonna close the game, and then to find the location you need to open the file explorer and go to your local disk. So once you are here, just go to users and then click on your user, and you will scroll down and you will find this folder called saved games, and you might see a list of different games. So click on the About folder, and right here you will see all the files that contain basically the game saved files. So as you can see, I have some autosaves right here, a new game, and you can basically export or import any of those game files into another PC or create a backup for your game. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.